Most people misunderstand data-driven manufacturing for one of these two reasons. On the one hand, many people believe data-driven manufacturing is just about collecting lots of data. But I constantly see companies with all the data they need, yet they still struggle with accessing, organizing, and leveraging their data. Even those manufacturers who have visibility to some or all of this data often fail to act on it for reasons ranging from bandwidth to culture. On the other hand, some believe data-driven manufacturing is about driving massive change, but often the greatest value is found in the smallest details, the insights that allow you to be 1% better every day. For example, one of our clients recently installed IIoT sensors to get real-time data on line speed. Once this went live and plant managers had access to this data on their phones, they realized the night shift was running the line a little bit slower to keep things easier. You might say, it's just a minor change in speed, what's the big deal? But this decrease in speed meant a slight decrease in output. In a line producing 100 million annually, increasing production by even 1% a day makes a huge difference. Even when manufacturers understand this reasoning, many remain hesitant to change. Sure, you could be 1% better, but staying the same is tempting, especially if you think 1% better requires years of work and major capital expenses. At Factory Eye, we believe data-driven manufacturing can look completely different. First, we recognize that your data is only as good as the impact that it makes, and if you want your data to make an impact, you need it to be easy to access and intuitive to understand. That's why we've placed a priority on user experience across our platform. Furthermore, we help you contextualize your data with your unique KPIs to turn numbers in a spreadsheet into insights that can change your operations. No data wasted. Second, we believe the all-or-nothing approach is less about helping manufacturers and more about closing big deals. We take a different approach, centered on seeing a return on investment as fast as possible. Rather than asking you to change everything all at once, we break implementation into short sprints, each no longer than 90 days, that address a single pain point. Then, once you've seen the results for yourself, you can use the ROI from each sprint to help fund the next. Don't buy into the misconceptions about data-driven manufacturing. It's more than data, but less than a complete overhaul of your operations. If you're ready to take the next step, solving one problem at a time, you should call me.
If you're ready to turn your data into actionable data, you better call Tom.